This is Jeff Killian for the InsideTechnician.com and the Maverick Live Trading Laboratory. We have a call on a long S&P 500 mini trade. Market price is trading at 1701.75. The preferred entry on this trade was just above this area right here on a 1-minute chart at 1701.25. Volume defined to come in on the smart money side. 15-minute indicators are positive for the long trade. Again, today, October 16, 2013, the time is now 8:29 a.m. Eastern Standard. Chicken money flows. Change direction to the upside. Longer-term perspective has kicked in, looking to get to one of these price profit targets on the upside. Depending upon how this will continue to play itself out now that this level has been penetrated on a close. Again, the preferred entry based on this methodology is 1701.25 after getting through 1701 even. The trade is called under the pretense that because of the turnaround after prices failed on a short trade and now have finally traded through the upside resistance area, that this trade will either go or it won't. And that will be determined shortly how this plays itself out in our favor or not. We are prepared to get out of this trade in short order. If the trade goes against us, every trade that we take here has a 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio in our favor with predetermined price profit targets and preset areas for stops that are laid out in advance to protect our risk capital. Mark to the market, 1701.50. Again, 1701.25 is 1701.50, 1701.25 right now. The time is 8:31 a.m. Eastern Standard, October 16th, managing an S&P 500 mini futures trade. Near month being traded, contract is 12/2013. Combined volume of around 8,000 contracts between these three volume spikes, getting through the level again, 1701 flat. Mark to the market, 1701.25, 8:33 a.m. Eastern Standard, October 16th, 2013. Maverick, live trading laboratory with a real-time trade in the S&P 500. IMI futures 1-minute chart, viewing right now on near-month trade at 12/2013. Managing a real-time trade after the preferred entry at 1701.25, getting above 1700 flat. E-mini futures 1-minute chart. Near-month contract, we are trading as 12/2013. Smart money came in, accumulated 3 volume spikes here, here, and here. Neighborhood of 8,000 contracts to finally get through. Level at 1700 flat. EMAs were clear to trade long. Positive up movement, waiting for the trendline violation for an additional confirmation out of money flow index. Stochastics clear, trendline violation. To be long, clear, MACD. We had a clear on chicken money flow. Tapering off at the moment because prices are essentially locked within a channel between 1701.25 and 1700 flat. Prices are finding this level at support, which was once resistance. We are working in anticipation of the prices continuing to trade up based on a smart money accumulation. On a longer term perspective, that could be a blow off to the upside before prices turn back around. This remains to play itself out as we go bar to bar in real time. Now some more additional volume coming in for 8:10. Looking to get through the 21 bar average daily volume. Up there, just about. Probes to the upside suggest that could be additional accumulation on the long side to get us up and into higher territory. Gee, let's run those upside levels again. What do you got?
The first profit target is 1702.25. Next one above that is 1703.25.
1 second.
Last
1 second. $17,325, correct.
1702.25.
1702.
225. That's the first profit target. Yeah.
Yes, I have that. And the second level.
Okay, the one 1703.25.
Confirming 1703.25. Got it.
confirmed.
Here's our 170225, 170325. Price continue to trade up will appear on the screen as the prices continue to trade to the upside. We're in a real-time trade here, managing this trade after the preferred area on and in was right here at the 8:29 a.m. bar at 1701.25. Getting through the 1700 flat level on a 1-minute chart. Smart money coming in to push the prices through. Based on the 15-minute indicator formations as identified by our smart money trading methodology, high probability long trade setup. We're looking to get to 1702.25 and possibly to 1703.25. This trade was identified and called because of its high probability trade status setup. Gee, or Justin, what do we have left in the 15-minute bar?
We have 4 minutes,
5 minutes, sorry.
4 minutes and 50 seconds, yeah.
It is possible because of the change in direction, the shaken money flow to the downside. Long-term perspective indicates the possibility that this could be a blow-off to the upside. The shorter-term money flow is still positive, getting through this trend line. So we have a confirmation and a non-confirmation from two different money flow indicators, although the prices now are still locked within a trading range. This trade could go either way. The volume that's come in here on the previous bar right here for the neighborhood of 1,097 contracts. Will play itself out shortly. So Justin, how's the weather over there in Australia tonight?
It's quite warm actually. We've had a decent weather day actually. It was pretty up around the 30 degrees Celsius, and it's predicted to get a little bit hotter over the course of the weekend, which is fine by me.
Sounds perfect.
It does sound perfect.
And Chi, over in Taipei, what's happening over there tonight?
It's getting a little bit colder now. Our winter's coming up. I think colder. It's actually around about 19 degrees tonight, so it's not that cold. But the last week or so has been pretty hot, around about 30 degrees or so. So this is actually quite nice right now.
Managing the call for an entry back here at 1701.25 right here. Needed to get through 1700 flat. Smart money came in. That time was 8:29. The call came through to our subscribers at the preferred level 1701.25 for a long trade on the S&P E-mini futures near contract month being traded 12/2013. Today is October 16th, 2013. The time is now 8:43 a.m. Eastern Standard. Mark to the market. Prices are trading at 1701.50. This is Jeff Killian, Chief Market Strategist for the Inside Technician, with two highly trained administrators in this trading room as we speak. He will cover segments of the day on watch for our subscribers. A little more distance to the upside now on the money flow indicator. Gentlemen, how much time do we have left in the 15-minute bar?
1 minute.
Okay.
56 seconds.
This trade was taken with the understanding, under the pretense, that this trade could go either way. Right now, it is still in our favor. Prices have traded out of the trading channel to the upside. Mark to the market 1701.25. We're locked within a trading channel. As you can see, 7 bars to go at this point right here between 1701 and 1701.25. I'd like to see some more volume come in here shortly as we get closer to market opening, now that we are at 8:45 a.m. Eastern Standard, to push us up to the initial incremental price profit target located at 1702.25. From that point to the upside, next level is 1703.25. There we have Chaikin longer-term money flow turning up into a new 15-minute bar. That's positive for our call on this trade to the long side. More disparity distance between the MACD and the signal line. And here, trending straight up on the Stochastics Momentum Index. Here through, although flattening out here on the money flow, the longer term may be taking over where the short term is now leveling off. Trading at 1701.50. October 16th, 2013 at 8:46 a.m. Eastern Standard, real-time S&P minis trade. Air month contract 12/2013. The Maverick Live Trading Laboratory will be open. We have an approximated open date for January 15th, 2014. Inviting worldwide subscribers to participate in a superior trading laboratory environment with the smart money trading methodology behind it, identifying only the true high probability trades, as based on, again, this methodology was designed over going on 20 years. Not much has changed. Always looking to find, track, and trade the true smart money players, put the probabilities, the real probabilities, in our favor. This trade was taken with the understanding that this trade could go either way. Keeping the stop close, we have predetermined price profit targets to the upside. We should have more volume that comes in shortly to be able to give us the answer that we're looking for, that we either will or we will not make money today. And I'm okay with it either way because it is a high probability trade. Gentlemen, how did we do yesterday in the live trading room? How did your accounts do?
Excellent. We had the best trade of the day was taken actually in the afternoon. I picked up 2.5 points, but I think yourself picked up in the area of about 5 points. Yeah, excellent trading in the afternoon session. The morning session was just as good as well. Picked up some points there also, so it was a very good day, and probably about 3.5 points for myself personally.
Excellent. Chi, how did you do yesterday?
I did pretty good. I mean, considering my account size, I made a lot of money yesterday. I didn't pick out as many points as you guys, but was in the same trade and managed my trade well and picked up a few points. It's good.
Excellent. Things will pick up shortly as we get closer to the market open. The time is 8:49 now, a.m. Eastern Standard. Today is October 16, 2013. For those of you that are fast forwarding, where we have a fairly long hold time before prices are shooting up, unlike yesterday's trade that was posted on YouTube, where prices just tanked in a short period of time. We picked up a lot of points. We have an opportunity to get to 1702.25. This is our incremental price profit target. And then again, above that at 1702.25. Looking for more participation shortly as we get closer to the market opening. I'd like to see 4,500, 5,000 contracts come in anytime in the next few minutes. This could be the bar to get us through that area, and sure enough, there it comes as we speak. Incredible. Volume pushing right through the incremental target, 1702.25. Let's confirm that again, gentlemen. The next target is
170325.
confirm 170325, and above that
170425.
170425. Got it. Now, for those of you that are scalpers, you would have been out at 1702.25. Reduce the hold time, catch it, and get out. For those of you that are longer-term players, at this point, you would consider continuing to stay in the trade to get to the secondary price profit target or get out with what you've got. All based on the smart money methodology designed here from our end. The smart money trading methodology that called this trade at 1701.25 at 8:38 a.m. to be in. We will refer to the preferred areas, as we will not make exact calls as to where to be in and where to be out because of the liability that surrounds that verbiage. The preferred area to be in, based on our analysis, again, was 1701.25. We're in a real-time e-mini trade, managing this long trade to the upside that was gotten in, identified by our smart money methodology. E-mini futures, 1-minute chart, near month 12, 2013, looking to get to 1703.25 and possibly higher. The two additional volume spikes that we were waiting to come in got us to that level, and prices appear to want to continue to trade to the upside. Let's get right over to the 15-minute indicators. Full up on Chaikin money flow. Disparity widening on MACD, positive. Stochastics rolling into overbought territory. Trendline violation and upward momentum out of the short-term money flow index. Now we have both smart money tracking money flow indicators confirming the smart money is sheer accumulation at this point. Now moving up again at 1702.75 mark to the market. $1702.75, looking to get to 1703.25 on another price profit incremental target. Scalpers will be extremely happy with what they picked up here today. Again, those of you that are long-term holders, 1703.25, 1704.25. More volume coming in now as participation increases. 1123, 1196, 1197, 1198. Dropped off. 1702.25 mark to the market, 1702.50. High being 1702.75, the last 1 minute bar. Price is possibly turning back around now. Give a little bit back. Scalpers would want to be out. Scalpers, every trade that we identify has a 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio. This relates to a longer hold time that you're accustomed to, getting out at the incremental price profit targets, knowing that they are in part one of possibly 3 to 4 different levels, will provide you with a multitude of trades. Here we are right through 1703.50. More contracts coming in now. 1703.50, trading mark to the market, managing this trade in real time. Third level confirmed again is 1704.25. Confirm that?
Confirmed. Yeah.
Okay. Here we have it. Rolling in now at 23.23, 28.62. High. High volume for the last hour could very well be this 1 minute bar. Probe suggests that prices should continue to trade higher as we have blown right through 1703.25. Looking to now get to 1704.25. Mark to the market, 1703.25. Jeff Killian, Chief Market Strategist for the Inside Technician, 8:55 a.m., 10/16/2013, managing a real-time E-mini trade. Near contract mark being traded 12/2013. Secondary price profit target solidly hit 1703.25. For those of you that are long-term holders, would consider staying in this trade, where at this moment the 15-minute indicators are still positive to stay the long trade, looking to get 1704.25 and a longer-term price profit target. The volume that came in on the previous 1 minute bar here was the all-time high for anything that's on the screen before the run-up came that has actually created the base level that stuck, that was traded off of. Again, price is turning back around now at 1703.25. Possibilities of a retracement. Let's take a look at the 15-minute charts here real quick. Shaken is still positive to stay. MACD is positive to stay long. SMI positive to stay long. More upward momentum out of the MFI, positive to stay long, managing the trade to the upside. There we have a penetration again above 1703.25, now 1703.50 and moving up. Looking to get to 1704.25. New 1 minute bar is now open. For those of you that are getting out at 1703.25, that time has just passed. Prices are now 1703 marked to the market with a larger down close on the previous bar, now oscillating back and forth again, 1703.25. 15-minute indicators are still positive to stay this trade. Simply advising on the current state of the prices as compared to the initial price profit targets that we have identified with based on this methodology as preferred areas to get in and get out. Initial price profit incremental target was here. 1702.25, 1703.25 has now been hit and traded below. New bar open here and trading down. We are at the upper region here of these prices. The third target is 1704.25. For those of you that are okay with a longer hold time, Chaikin still says clear to stay long. Stay long on MACD, stay long on stochastics momentum, staying long, more momentum to the upside on the MFI. $1703.25 held, marked to the market in 1 minute bar. Managing the trade in real time.
Just about to tick over to the next 15-minute bar, Jeff.
Mm-hmm. How many seconds?
That's it now.
Ticked over already.
Okay. So what we have demonstrated this morning is an exact entry in this recording here at 1701.25. We have demonstrated two different price profit targets, one at 1702.25 and one at 1703.25. There was plenty of time to get out at 1703.25 because prices had hit that different area 5 times within these bars. A clear and present area to get out. Now, for those of you that are longer-term holders, the third price profit target is at 1704.25, but that would be to get out at a rally as fast as possible. Prices are now trading up at 1703.75. Possibly even getting out at 1704 flat, where we don't have any additional volume that's come in here. 1703.75 marked to the market. There's probably a lot getting out right now, longer-term holders, based on the idea of getting out on a rally even before the price profit target, our third target. Can we get a count on the hold time for the trade so far, Phyllis? We have Justin from Australia and Chief from Taipan in the trading room here today, two highly trained administrators who know this methodology cold. We'll cover different segments of the day, as well as I have my own watch to call, execute, manage these trades for all subscribers worldwide.
Jeff, the whole time is about 30 minutes so far.
Okay, not bad. 30 minutes, gentlemen, in at 1701.25, out at the first price profit target at 1702.25, brought in what?
1 point.
2 point.
Secondary price profit
First
target at
price profit.
1703.25, brought in 2 points.
That's right.
2 points in about 20 minutes time. Okay. So here we have a series of down closes that are larger than the up closes. For those of you that are thinking about an extended hold time to 1704.25, that has a little doubt behind it because of the price chart pattern set up right now. And check and money flow is falling off. Short-term money flow is still positive. So everything that we've discussed here all relates to, and in fact the prices are hitting the average from the high high here to the lows at 1703.25. This is going to conclude today's example of another true high probability trade identified by the smart money methodology that was designed by us about 20 years ago here at the Inside Technician, brought to you in the Maverick live trading laboratory. We will see you again on the next live trade presentation. Today brought in 2.5 points easy for a longer term hold. Again, now price is turning back around. Preferred out 1703.25, 1703.50, 1703.75. Plenty of time to get out after the preferred in was called at 1701.25. My pleasure to present to all of you today. We'll see you again, as I said earlier, on the next live trade. Thank you for being with us today.